Today in front of me I have Nubia Redmagic 6R, and today we're going to demonstrate how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. So first and foremost, launch settings, then you gotta enter the very first category you'll see, which is dual cards and mobile networks. Then choose what SIM card you would like to check the mobile data usage for. In my case it is only one SIM card installed, but if you have two, just go for it. You'll have like two exactly same fields or parts of the page, which will have all those settings for both the SIM card separately. So choose or tap at the more section for the SIM card you would like to check the data usage for, as I've mentioned. Then go for the dedicated data usage section, and in here you'll have a breakdown on how much cellular data you have used during the current period of time, which is displayed right over here. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.